guys. Let's do this. Alright, let's see here. Should be. Let's do backyard football.
Hurry up and pick me. You made a good choice.
Howdy, pick me for your team. You know I'm... Yo bien escogido. Gracias. Hello, can I play on your team, please?
You know you want to pick me.
How are you that good? How are you that good?
Hey man, pick me.
He's cracked.
You sure about that?
Oh, you should.
Pick me, because I'm the fastest kid here. Thanks.
Go for it.
If you want a cool QB, pick me for your team. Cool.
I calculated that my intellect and football savvy could be of great use to you. Heaven, are you quite sure?
I like playing in the rain.
It looks like Ian is going to take the kick. Drop on the 4-yard line.
Run, Timmy!
Catches it.
Run, Timmy! Run, Timmy! Run, Timmy! Run, Timmy! Run, Timmy! Run, Timmy! Run! Oh my God! It's a kick return touchdown. Timmy.
No one else to beat. That's 20! Touchdown! Dimitri will try for the PAT. Good!
Picture perfect kick, Sally.
Dimitri will kick off. Cindy's waiting for the kick. at the 3-yard line. Wrap up.
Stop. Stop.
The Mountain Pass will start at the 19. Gives it to Cindy. Cindy smashes up the middle. Finds a hole. That brings up second down. 16. Left. Yellow dog. Right.
Yellow dog.
It was Jerry.
Jerry, with a little help of his friends to get that QB.
It will be third down on the Melonhead 17-yard line. The ball is loose. The Melonhead recovers it. And the quarterback goes down. Heads onto the field to punt. Gets it off.
Kick, haha.
Catches it.
Run, Timmy! Run, Timmy! Run! Run, Timmy!
Finally brought down.
Found the gap and took it.
Alright, guys.
The Knights will get the ball at the 14. Drop it back to pass. Interception.
Timmy!
The first quarter is in the books. The Melonhead will start at the 14. Francis fades back to pass. It was Dimitri.
Wabble, babble. That QB just got flattened.
On their own, they will keep it on the ground, angles it up the middle. That's 2 points for the team, and they'll get the ball, too.
They do a great job of jabbing it up.
And will kick off. Players on the 10-yard line brings it in at the 17.
One blocking.
Wrap up.
Super. Alright,
The Knights will start in good field position. Back to throw. Chase. Rifle the pass. Caught and brought down at the 50-yard line. It is another set of downs.
Fruity.
Chase fades back to pass. It's picked off.
Bruh.
The Melonhead will take over. Here comes the Melonhead. From the 43. The pitch to Cindy. Finds a hole.
Dang it,
She
Randall.
flashes
Come
for
on, man.
about
Dang it.
6. It'll be second down.
Dang it, Randall. What? Are you talking to yourself? Aggressive taps.
Looks like a screen pass. Complete to Cindy. Caught for almost no yards. Third down here for the Melonhead. Starting from the 48-yard line. They will keep it on the ground. Cindy gets the ball and goes straight plumb bomb through the middle. Heads onto the field to punt. Booms one. Received it at the 20-yard line. The ball is free.
It's like I say, buddy. You make your own luck.
That is a touchdown! And on to tack on the extra point.
Next time Timmy does
It's
it.
up and it's good!
What a kick. That looked like a bottle rocket.
And will kick off. Received at the 35.
To kick off. No!
Dimitri will be doing the kicking. Cindy waiting for the kick. Lets it drop.
Stay the yard.
The Melonhead will get the ball at the 20. Francis fades back to pass. Francis swings it and got it. Gain of 15. Yoda left 16. Up the middle.
Did you see that? The ball carrier just leapfrogged 20 feet over everybody.
The 30. The 20. The 10. Touchdown!
Hey, did anyone get the license plate of that truck? The defense just got run over.
And on to tack on the extra point. Great throw.
Picture perfect kick, Sonny.
And will kick off. Bounces on the 20. Catches it. The Knights will start at their own 36-yard line. Drop back. Good. Go. All the way. The 30. The 20. The 10. Beat it in. Dimitri for the point.
Yes.
It's up and it's good.
Picture perfect kick, Sonny.
From the 40, Dimitri tees it up. Cindy back to receive the kick. Receives it at the 36-yard line. The melon tag will begin at the 50. Long drop. Another takedown.
Wabble, babble. That QB just got tiny.
Brings up second down. Second down and 34. Going to throw. Fired into the flat. It's intercepted. After the interception, they'll get the ball in good field position. The Knights will start at the 46. Long drop. Toss over to the right side. The 30. The 20. The 10. It's good. Dimitri trying to make it 23. And it's good!
Nice snap, nice hold, nice kick. Easy as pie.
Dimitri will be starting it off. Cindy back to receive the kick. Lets it drop. The melon tag will start at the 20. Drop back. Francis wings it. Drop incomplete.
When you have a defender beat that bad, you'd like to make a big play.
That is a free ball.
Sometimes you gotta force things on defense, and that's what's happened there.
Incomplete. It will be fourth down. Ian heads onto the field to punt. Booms one. Catches it.
It's you can catch it up to Timmy.
Drop.
Come on. Slices works best for
The
me.
Knights will get the ball at the 29. Hey. Fades back to pass. Quick out. They caught it. Gain of 16. Brings up second down. Long drop. Throws it to the flat. Caught. Holds on for a medium gain. First down. On the 9th, 4-yard line. Drops back to back. Touchdown!
Come on!
Dimitri for the point after.
Let's finish this game because I have to go to the bathroom.
Knocks it home.
Nice snap, nice hold, nice kick. Easy as pie.
It looks like Dimitri is going to take the kick. Cindy back to receive, lets it drop. The melon tag have it at the 20. They will keep it on the ground. Cindy crashes up the middle for no gain and might have lost some yards. Second down and 23. Dumps it off to the left side. Interception. The Knights will take over.
You know, Sonny, interceptions are the leading cause of non-fumble turnovers.
The Knights will start at their own 19. Long drop. Looking over the middle. He hangs on. Complete for some big yards.
Well, you gotta wrap up those receivers after a catch.
Long drop. It is a touchdown. Dimitri to make it 37.
Dude, Dimitri.
Puts it through.
Nice snap, nice hold, nice kick. Easy as pie.
From the 40, Dimitri tees it up. Cindy back to receive the kick. They're going to let this one bounce. Cindy has got it. It's a final. The Knights were the better team today. 37-14.
Those kids played some good football today. These kids just whooped them in your...